Good morning! Alis kami today, guys. Sila naliligo na. I'm gonna have my coffee. Feeling ko coffee lang ngayon or mamadali na kasi kami. Meron kaming appointment kay Lexus 9:14. Sabi nila, list daw kami ng 9:30. So, meron pa akong 15 minutes. Tapos na nakapagbihis na ako, tapos na din yung mukha ko. Kailangan ko lang ayusin yung buhok. Actually, nagaluli ko pa ba yung buhok ko? Hindi ko kasi binasa yung buhok ko. Magpapandisal ako, oy. Kasi ang dami nito doon. Tingnan nyo. Tapos kapag kinakain ko siya with coffee, isa lang yung nauubos ko. May time pa naman siguro tayo. Magmadali lang tayo. Sabi ni Dan, pwede naman daw namin i-extend ng 5 minutes. So, 9:35 kami alis. Titingnan lang namin yung kulay. Nakapili lang kami ng car. So, kung hindi nyo pa napanood and gusto nyo lang mapanood, ililive ko yung car shopping vlog namin sa taas. Nakapili na kami ng car, yung Lexus na NX300 na Sport. Basta nung pag-drive ko talaga, mas komportable ako sa loob and wala lang. Tama talaga si Dan na like, magugustuhan ko talaga siya. So, we're going for the Sport. Meron silang parang 5 kulay na options ata. Tapos yung pinagpipilian ko 2. So, we'll see. Ay, sobrang init pa nito. Wait, ayusin lang natin yung buhok, no? Habang hinihintay natin na malamig konti yung ating coffee. Ayun si Dan. Tapos na siya maligo, guys. Pagkatapos niya maligo, zoom na yan. Bihis diretso. Walang pili-pili. Ako kanina, ilang beses pa ako nagpalit.
Was that good morning together? Really good morning, people together.
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3. Good morning, people. We do it together.
I already said good morning to them.
Did you?
Yes.
Good job.
Thank you. Where are we going, my love?
Get this bloody car. It's gonna be interesting. That colour's gonna be an issue, but we'll see what happens.
Yeah. We'll see. 2 kulay yung pinagpipilian ko, guys. Well, look at other colors. I know I'm not gonna go for like any of the dark colors, but we'll just look, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Napaschedule na to ni Dan na ilalagay nila sa labas yung 2 kulay na pagpipilian namin. Dito na kami, guys. Nagpa-park lang si Dan. Ano lang yung parking nila dito? Masikip. But, doon tayo sa loob. Dito kami sa kabilang side. Sunod lang kami kay Kuya.
We're pretty much like to go to titanium.
Ayun. Is that titanium? Ah.
Titanium is our best selling one.
Yeah, it looks different outside.
It doesn't look as good in luxury.
Huh.
But in the showroom it looks a bit dull.
Yeah. It looks different inside. It looks like more gold.
Yeah.
And here it's more silver.
They're both the whites.
And that's white?
There's 2 whites. This is the
Yeah, I saw that.
This is the popular white Nova.
Nova, yeah. And the other one's pearl something?
Yeah.
Pearly?
But we don't get that one in the F Sport because
Okay, yeah.
This is an F Sport unique colour.
Yeah, alright. No, I like the white, babe.
There you go. We'll go white.
Do you like that?
No, I'm happy, baby. You wanna go white? We'll go white.
Wait, let me, wait. That was so quick. Yeah, white's nice,
The
right?
white and black looks nice.
Yeah, and then just all black interior.
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, white. Okay. Guys, pinaprocess lang nila yung paperwork. Babayad kami ng deposit, pero hindi namin sure kung makukuha namin yung white. Wala na kasi sila nung white. They will check interstate and sabi nila in 2 to 3 days sabihan nila kami. Mas maganda yung white. Pakita ko sa inyo ulit yung titanium ha. Kasi dito sa loob, iba yung kulay niya. More on gold. Sabi ng lalaki, it has 12 different shades of silver, gold, something. So, iba-ibang lighting, mag-iiba-iba yung kulay. Pero, outside, it looks really like parang dark silver siya. Tingnan outside. I know. Nakita ko din. Ito yung black NX300?
If you can't get the white, I'll go the black.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you think I can pull it off? It looks such a badass.
It is badass now.
Yeah. Oh, tingnan niyo yung black. Ay. So, this is the NX300? Yeah. Cool din tingnan yung black. Lalo na kapag black din yung interior. Plano ko kasi black lang talaga yung interior. Meron sila iba-ibang option. Like, merong mustard na parang trim, red, like white, na leather trim. Pero gusto ko just black. Ito sobrang very manly. This looks big. Oh no, it's not NX300. Mas malaki ito. It's RX 450. RX 450. But yeah. Will it be like this? Like, it has like a blue tint? Hindi siya masaya, guys. Naiinis na naman siya sa kanila. Kinontak kasi ni Dan sila early this week after namin tinignan yung sasakyan. Tapos sabi ni Dan, sige na, magbabayad na kami ng deposit. Anong next step? Tapos, hindi nila sinabi na isa na lang yung natira na white. Tapos, while nag-uusap sila ng ganun, naunahan kami, nabili yung white. So, sabi ni Dan, sana sinabi nyo agad para nakapili agad kami ng kulay. Nung nag-uusap tayo sa email, parang wala namang like warning na isa na lang natira na white. Alam mo yun? So, hindi siya masaya. Ito ata yung titanium. Pero ibang car to. So, sa loob, more on gold siya, diba guys? Sa labas, very dark, parang papuntang gray. Mas gusto ko yung white. Ang problema, kung makukuha natin siya. Oh, maganda loob nito, babe. It has a bigger screen. No?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, very nice. Spot Danny Boy. Nandun sa pagkain, guys. Naghahanap ng drinks. Hinihintay pa namin si Kuya. Maganda din tong black na to, no? Maganda yung black, kaya lang kailangan hugasan ni Danny Boy. Siya taga-hugas ng sasakyan. Maganda yung black, no? Binigyan na siya ng kape, eh. Yan. Ako tubig lang. What did you get? Oh, Mentos, thank you. What's your drink? Canato?
Ganato.
Canato. What just happened to you?
I cut myself, my love.
Tingnan niyo siya. Kaya pala ang tagal niya dun. Kasi tinry niya inopen ng kamay niya. But you found the can of...
I find the bottle opener. I found the bottle opener. Eventually.
Are you okay now, babe?
Yeah, alright.
You said you were boiling
I
inside.
was so angry. I was so angry.
Sabi ko kay Dan, please, wag dito. Wag yung nandito ako. Ganun-ganun ako sa kanya kanina. Relax. Sabi ko, relax, please. The baby can hear you, baby.
Look at the belly. Looking good, my love. Like a model. The black number plate looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Dito kami sa taas, guys. Second floor. Marami silang mga sasakyan na display dito. Nandito yung mga kulay-kulay. Yeah. White talaga, guys. White. White tayo.
Red looks chaka.
Honest po siya. Honest. So, nakabayad na kami ng deposit.
This is the red color.
Nagkapirmahan na, pero sabi nila, it is still subject to availability. Pero confident naman yung tumulong sa amin na mahanap nila. Hindi nga lang dito sa Adelaide but interstate. So sabi niya, i-email niya daw lahat ng dealership across Australia. And then, i-check kung may magde-deliver ng aming puting sasakyan very soon. So we will know early next week, guys. Ito yung red interior.
Yeah, red interior.
Oh, we don't have that option.
Didn't we have red? Oh, black looks way better anyway.
Our option is black here and just the trim is red.
Just trim.
Yeah, just the trim. Meron din silang mustard na trim na option. Doon talaga yun. Yung black, It looks good. Ito yung titanium. This is the titanium, right? Alam nyo, iba-ibang lighting, iba-iba talaga kulay niya. Here, it looks really light. Tingnan natin nga. Sold na to. This car is sold. Okay. I think ito yung titanium. RX 350. Yeah, see? Feeling ko titanium din yan. Looks different. Yun, titanium. Feeling ko titanium din yun, my love. Itong dalawa, oh.
Exactly right.
Yeah, right? Titanium? Yung dalawa?
I want to go look at Subaru after this.
You wanna look at Subaru?
For me.
For you? Aww. We can look, my love.
Just look.
Lulul. Masaya na siya. Sinabihan ko siya, uy, be nice, babe. Kanina talaga. I'll get that for you. Huwag mo akong ganyanin, babe. This is just crazy, babe. Like, sobrang mahal na yung mga ganyan, babe. Pero it looks really cool. No? Look at that curve, my love.
Your tires, how nice. Yeah, very nice, isn't it? Could you drive one of those?
Can you imagine me driving this?
Oh, yeah.
Look at the inside.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Toilet again. 5th time today. It's only 11 o'clock as well. That car is worth $1 million. Rhaze will buy me this car. Very nice. Maserati. Not for sale. Can you buy me this car, my love?
How much?
Maserati.
Wow.
I don't know, a few $100,000. Please.
300,000 pesos? Sure. Sold.
Done.
300,000 pesos.
Do the walk. Do the brothers walk. Insert music.
That looks stupid.
Let's go to sleep, my love.
Okay.
The watch is similar to that, but they must have put it away because there's only one left.
Okay.
So it's one watch is 200 something.
Are there, oh,
Yeah.
women's watch?
Yeah, the men's one.
Meron akong ganyan, guys. Dan was able to get one for
Oh,
me.
it's like a simpler face. It's a clear face, like a. But that's alright. And then that's
Yeah.
a passport holder. That's the money thing.
Ah, passport kind of wallet thingy. Yeah, we have something like that. How much is it? $84. Yeah, and their customer service is really nice, right, babe?
Customer service.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, they're alright.
No, they're good.
They're good. Now get us that bloody white car.
Nah, they will get it for us.
I'm pretty confident they will as well.
Yeah, they will get it for us.
They should have just called me and said, Daniel, we've only got one left. Can you come down and make a decision before you miss out?
It's okay, my love.
I'll be sure. I'll be there in 5 minutes. We'll get the white
I
one.
have a lot of time.
Alright, let me look at my diary. Yeah, I can come right now. God.
I'll be there
Anyway,
in 5 minutes.
white looks good.
Yeah, white looks good. We did all the paperwork already, paid the deposit, but if hindi nila mahanap yung white, they will refund our deposit. They will find it.
They'll ship over a few cars. They
Yeah.
know they're going to be running low, people are buying cars, so they're like,
Yeah.
alright, we'll take over this, this, and this.
Mm-hmm.
So they'll
We will
alright.
be fine. Anyway, we will go to Subaru. We will check out cars sa Subaru.
Just have a look, we're not going to get any more.
Yeah.
No, I need a car for next year, not this year. This
Next year.
I don't need a car this year. I'm just curious. While we're here, let's have a quick look
Yeah.
and get a coffee.
Let's see what food they have there in Subaru.
They might have a nice cheese platter out or something.
Wine.
Like,
Wow.
yeah, that'd be good. No, we'll just have a look.
Oh, we're here.
Yeah,
Ay, nandito na pala. Ang lapit
how
lang.
quick it is, my love.
Magkatabi lang sila. We're here sa Subaru. I just want to mention this very sweet person that sent me
Thank you for the card.
the card.
Straight from
Thank you, Philippines.
Philippines, that's right.
Yeah. It's the same card as what I got before.
Yep.
Yeah, see? It's a baby girl. Is that what it says? Yeah,
It's a baby girl.
Congratulations, Rhaz and Dan. Thank you,
thank you, guys.
This is from May and Min. Abaha?
Abaja?
Abaha.
We're really bad with names, to be honest
Sorry.
with you.
Min, May Ann, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you for the four. Thank you for the beautiful card.
Yeah.
Very sweet of you.
I know, you guys didn't
Thank you.
have to do any of this at all, but thank you. Kayo na talaga ang nag-spend ng pera at saka oras para gawin to, so I really appreciate it.
Yeah,
Thank
the cards
you.
are awesome.
I know, thank you. We love displaying it sa aming
Yeah, we got
TV.
we're at TVs. We've
TV
got nice
stand.
cards, so we'll put it there.
Yeah,
So,
thank you.
thank you.
Alright, let's check out Subaru.
Okay, we're just
See you
looking,
there.
not buying anyway. So
Yeah. The plan was, actually, before this whole tax benefit thing happened, was we were gonna get like cars in September. Sabay sana kaming dalawa na Dan, yung akin at saka yung kanya. Kasi he changed cars every 2, 3, 4 years. Nagbabago siya ng car, guys. Pero, nauna yung akin kasi nga sa tax benefit. Do you want a small one? Yeah, like this, oh.
too fat for this car now, bro.
No, you're not. You're on a diet now.
I gotta go, like, every time I get out of it, the bloody hurts so bad. How low it is.
Yeah. Before ng XV na Dan, meron siya ng Toyota 86. And gusto ko yun actually. Aw, see, it will look really cool, my love. Whoa. Too low?
Like, right on the ground. I can't believe I just did get into that car.
I know. How many years did you have your 86?
3.
3 years, huh? Imagine, you did it for 3 years.
My first few months, my back was killing me. How low it is on the ground.
It is low. Yeah. Alright, how was Subaru?
Honestly, Chaka. When you walked in there, was it very dark?
Yeah.
Okay. It didn't have that nice feeling to it.
Yeah.
I should go around.
You should be like a car reviewer.
I should be a dealership reviewer and walk in there. But honestly, we walk in there, it was dark, it was gloomy, it was no energy. The cars, the models hasn't changed.
Yeah, the models hasn't
Like, they
changed.
haven't changed in like ages.
Where are we going next?
I just want to look at Toyota. Toyota's got like a nice RAV4 new model that I've seen. This is just future thinking. I might even buy like a really small car in the future.
I know. Like,
Who knows?
it's all up to you, but like a small car will be good.
This is
I like the
pressure.
small
It's
car.
all up to me, but
It is all up to you. This is what you do to me. It's all up to you, Rhaz, but I like
it's all up to you, we
the
got that.
titanium.
no, you said white today, and I said
I did.
Done. Let's get it done.
I know. You're very good. He's
Yeah.
very good. He's like, wag kang ma-pressure ha, na titanium lang yung available. Kung ano yung gusto mo, sabihin mo sa akin, ako na bahala sa kanila. That's what you said, my love. Pick what color you want, and then I'll take care of it.
By getting angry.
Yeah. No, he wasn't. He expressed his disappointment.
Yeah, disappointed.
Yeah. Sinabi lang niya kay
And
Kuya,
rightfully so.
I'm gonna be honest, hindi ako masaya sa ginawa niyo. And I was very uncomfortable just sitting there. I was
Rose
just
went like this, Rose went.
No, I didn't do that, but I was just like doing this to Dan. Like, just relax, please. We will get through this. Oh, look at the dog. He's looking
looking
at
at
you.
Film him.
No, you.
Film him.
What's this one, RAV4?
It's not.
It's bigger.
It's not completely chunky.
Okay, it's not completely chaka.
It's not.
Okay. Ito yung CHR. Gusto ko actually yung itsura na to. Nung pumipili si Dan ng car, nung binili niya yung XV, ito yung gusto ko. Actually, na itsura kaysa sa XV. But, syempre, car niya yun, so siya pumili. But yeah, it's kind of like about the same size? Is it the same size as your XV?
Oh, probably good, but different.
Yeah. You don't like it at all. Why? You don't like the look?
Said to me, 15,000.
Oy, grabe. Na. Mate, go out. Tapos na kami sa Toyota. Did you get your drink?
Up and go.
How's the food in Toyota?
Food?
Yeah?
No food.
No food?
No food.
But good lighting, no?
Good lighting. Good.
Very
and,
big.
You know what? At least people come up to you and ask you stuff. That was good.
Yeah,
Very
yeah.
good customer service.
Well, very good customer service,
They are the best.
Yeah. Guys, nandito kami sa hills. We drove dito sa hills because the weather is really nice today. And ayaw naming magstay sa bahay na sobrang ganda ng weather. So we're out and about. And stop kami dito sa Handorf Fruit and Veg Market kasi ang daming tao. Sabi ni Dan, they must have some good fruit and veg for us. So we're here. Is that right, my love?
Thanks, yeah.
I noticed last night, Dan was, what did you eat?
Well, I don't know. What
One of his light and easy dinners.
yeah,
beef curry
like
something?
a beef curry, yeah.
And I felt sick. I was like, bleh, bleh. So now I know curry is not good for my senses.
Your senses, Raz's senses at the moment are insane.
I know.
She smells everything.
Everything.
So we'll have,
Everything.
we won't tell you all the smells, but she's
I smell everything.
Yeah,
That's right.
It's full on.
Your fart always bothers me, but not as much. Now, if he farts, like even a tad bit, I can smell it. I was like, did he fart? And sometimes when he doesn't fart, I smell fart. Kahit hindi siya umutot na sa...
Yeah.
Anyway, that's me.
Let's go shopping.
Okay, fruit and veg. Dito na kami sa loob, guys. Bumili lang sila ng pizza. Kumusta ang diet natin dyan? Pili tayo ng sparkling drink.
Apple juice.
Sparkling apple, sparkling honey and ginger. Ano ba? Apple and strawberry, maybe? Sparkling juice to, guys, ha? I'll get two, my love. I'll just choose one more. Apple and cherry, apple and passion fruit, maybe? Ganda ng view, oh. Ganda ng weather, no? Weather so nice. We just got drinks. Cheers! Cheers! Tatlo. It is beautiful. Ano siya, mahangin, pero mainit.
All the leaves are off the trees, Mark.
Yeah, I know, they're falling. Lakad-lakad lang kami, guys. Tingin-tingin sa mga local shops dito. Just in case may magustuhan. Para support sa mga local shops. Kasi ngayon lang sila nag-open ulit. Let's go in here, my love.
That one or the big one?
Huh?
That's the only one. The big one's closed.
Dito kami bumili ng painting.
This is where we got the painting from last time.
Yeah, yung regalo sa akin ni Dan nung 400k or 500k ba yun? Ito, hala, nice, babe, oh. Dito namin binili yung rooster. Dito namin yun binili. Look at all the textures. Yeah.
That's pretty cool, actually.
525. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko yung kulay niya. Cute. Alalalala. Yeah. Oh, look at that, babe. Ala, ka-cute sa puti.
Yeah, rabbit. Nice color.
That's cute. You like it?
It's okay.
Kain na kami, guys. Nag-stop kami sa Coles kasi magluluto ako bukas. Anyway, dun sa Handorf kanina na fruit and veg, we got sparkling juice. Ito, apple and passion fruit. The other one's apple and cherry. Apple and strawberry. Bukas gagawa ako ng sausage roll. So we need cheese for that. Hot dog kasi magagawa din ako ng spaghetti. This is for the sausage roll. This is for the spaghetti beef stock. And then we got milk, Dan's milk, my milk, almond milk, sausage mince para sa sausage roll. And then we got the puff pastry for the sausage roll. So, I'll make that tomorrow. Mamayang gabi, mag-ano ako. Ibabrine ko yung pork kasi try ko gawin yung lechon, guys. Kasi pwede na tayong mag-lechon. Ang tagal ko na gustong gawin yun. Kaya lang, hindi pa siya pwedeng hindi pa sold yung bahay. Kasi, is very oily. It's gonna make, and baka madumi din siya sa oven, diba? I'm gonna empty, we need to take out the beef anyway. I'll take care of it, my love. It's pretty full there at the moment, my love. It's okay, I'll take care of it. Maybe pick up the dinner that you want for tomorrow.
Alright, for tonight?
Yeah, but for tomorrow, kakayaw. Guys, gabi na! Pinapanood ko na naman yung videos ng mga utol. Kasi wala pa silang bagong video. So, pinapanood ko yung luma. Nagluluto ako ng fries. Snack muffin, guys. In-air fry ko lang. Lalagyan ko siya ng garlic powder at saka garlic salt. Chicken salt. Lalagyan ko sana siya ng garlic salt. Tapos chicken salt. Sabi ko, magiging salty na siya. Masyado. So, lalagyan natin ng garlic powder at saka chicken salt. Masarap yung chicken salt sa fries. Iba-brine ko na yung ating pork belly para sa lechon. So, nandito na siya, guys. Pero mamaya pa yun. Nagnap kami ni Don. Ako na talaga ang nagnap kasama siya. Natapos ko na kasi kailangan ko lahat gawin. Tapos siya, natutulog siya. So, sabi ko, ano nang gagawin ko? So, nagnap din ako. Sinamahan ko siya nagnap. Pero saglit lang ako kasi matagal na siya natulog eh. Tapos pagising niya, nagising na din ako. So, mga 15 minutes lang ata. Hi.
It's a good wine, babe.
Really good wine, no?
Really good wine.
Very nice wine, guys. Cheers.
Let's get drunk.
Let's get drunk tonight. Hindi, ito yung fruit. Oh, what's that? Let's show them.
Champagne.
Wow, champagne. Ito ay sparkling apple and passion fruit. Nilagay namin ng spoon. Meron kaming pangtakip niyan eh, pero feeling ko binigay ko sa mama niya nung nag-ano kami.
Hey, how much alcohol was there, my love?
5%. Binigay namin sa mama niya nung nag-declutter ako. Babe, I'm drunk. Wala to alcohol. Alcoholic to.
It's not alcoholic, guys.
Not alcoholic. Grabe kayo, ha? Nilagay ko lang siya sa ganito kasi para pati si Dan nilagay sa wine glass. Yummers? Really strong?
Good alcohol. Good wine.
Matamis. Matamis, guys. Malamang. Alright, let's watch. Okay. Manonood kami ng Selling Sunset sa Netflix. Ilang episodes na lang. Malapit na namin yun matapos. Gusto namin yun na Dan eh. Anyway, yun na yung vlog namin today, guys. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Please like this video if you did enjoy. Please subscribe if you haven't yet. I hope to see you guys soon. Be good. Good night. Bye. Mwah.